Presenting Tecno Spark 8C smartphone in Turquoise Cyan. It comes in a size of 16.5 into 7.6 into 0.9 centimeters and weighs 193 grams. It is also available in magnetic black. It comes with 3 GB LPDDR4X RAM upgradable to 6 GB with the help of memory fusion technology, and the 64 GB eMMC 5.1 ROM is extendable up to 256 GB. The smartphone comes with 6.6 inches HD plus dot notch display and a fingerprint sensor. It has a refresh rate of 90 Hz and touch sampling rate of 180 Hz for smooth touch response. The phone is equipped with 13 megapixel rear dual camera with dual flashlight and 8 megapixel selfie camera with front flash. The smartphone runs on HiOS 7.6 based on Android 11. It is powered with 5000 mAh battery with up to 89 days standby. It gives 23 hours video playback, 53 hours calling or 137 hours music playback. The box includes the smartphone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.